Various irregularities have been cited in the recently released Auditor General report on the government payroll audit for the period 2017 to 2021. The Ministry of Health tops the list of ministries audited by the Auditor General. According to the Terms and Conditions of Service for Public Service, an employee should be terminated from the payroll on account of death, retirement, secondment, unpaid leave, desertion, and resignation. However, a review of the payroll record reviewed that salaries in amounts totaling to over 70 million kwacha in respect of 5,342 employees had bounced during the period under review for various reasons, which included, among others, delays by payroll end users in removing terminated cases, delays by payroll end users in removing resignation cases, delays by payroll end users in removing officers on unpaid leave, and lack of clear mechanism on processing of claims after voiding of bank account numbers. Subsequently, the bank accounts in respect of 5,342 employees whose salaries had bounced were voided by several users. The accounts were voided for periods ranging from 1 and 20 months. The report says, as at July 31st, 2022, the funds in the voided accounts had been transferred to the salaries account at Zanaco Bank but had not been refunded to the Treasury single account at the Bank of Zambia. In addition, the positions were not available for subsequent reassignment. In the report, it has been reviewed that Chainama Hills on January 4, 2016 had recommended for the dismissal of a general worker who absented himself for a period exceeding 10 days. However, the employee was only terminated on payroll in June 2022 after drawing salaries in amounts totaling 209,000 kwacha without rendering any service. It was also not clear why the employee was not terminated, as he was a classified daily employee whose termination was within the authority of the controlling officer. On February 1st, 2018, a registered nurse was first introduced on the payroll at the Ministry of Health in Lusaka. Further, on 13th February 2018, the same employee was again introduced on the payroll. During the period from March to July 2018, the officer drew salaries amounting to 36,000 kwacha and 34,000 kwacha through the same bank account held at Zambia National Commercial Bank. In this regard, salaries amounting to 34,000 kwacha paid to the officer were irregular, as the officer was already drawing a salary. And on February 19, 2019, a Zambian enrolled nurse working under the Ministry of Health in Solwezi district died. Since her demise, the officer's salary of 87,000 kwacha had been paid into her bank account before the account was voided in August 2020. However, during the period from August 2020 to June 2022, when the account was voided, the employee continued being on the payroll, and third-party obligations for both employer and employee contribution had continued to be settled by the Ministry of Finance. Darius Jonya, Diamond News.